behalf of the Board of Directors and the GRC Committee of UP Alumni Association in America, I'd like to thank the leadership of Mega World Corporation, especially Ms. Marivic Acosta and Ms. Mia Benaventura, for the diamond sponsorship of our UP AAA and UPAA Houston 23rd Grand Reunion and Convention. We anticipate our exciting collaboration and we look forward to your continued support in the future. Para ito sa UP, para ito sa bayan, padayon.